श्री राम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने परम जाने मातः त्वदनुसरणं क्लेशहरणं भगवते हनुमते नमः। Now what is happening here? All of them have gone to Shiva. All the devatas, Brahmadi devatas along with Vishnu and Indradi devatas, all have reached Shiva in order to have darshan and then request Shiva to make their need a reality. बोले कृपा सिंधु वृषकेतु कहु अमर आए के ही हेतु कह विधि तुम प्रभु अंतर जामी तदपि भगत बस बिनवउ स्वामी। कृपा समुद्र शिवजी बोले, हे देवताओं, कहिए आप किस लिए आए हैं? Why have you come here? So ब्रह्मा जी says, हे प्रभु, आप अंतर्यामी हैं, तथापि हे स्वामी भक्तिवश मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ। You are all knowing, omniscient, but still out of devotion we are just expressing ourselves what is needed for us. सकल सुरन के हृदय अस शंकर परम उछाहु निज नयन नि देखा चहीं नाथ तुम्हार विबाहु। हम क्या बोले? What shall we say? We only have only one wish. And what is that wish? हे शंकर, सब देवताओं के मन में ऐसा परम उत्साह है कि हे नाथ, वे अपनी आंखों से आपका विवाह देखना चाहते हैं। Now all it is the wish of every devata that they want to see your marriage. They want to see your very, very beautiful matrimony very soon. That is only our wish. यह उत्सव देखिए भरी लोचना सोई कछु करहु मदन मद मोचना कामु जारी रति कहूँ बरु दीना कृपा सिंधु यह अति फल कीना यह उत्सव देखिए भरी लोचन। We want to see this vivah with all our eyes filled with devotion. We want to see this vivah. सोई कछु करहु मदन मद मोचन। हे मदन के मद को मोचन करने वाले अर्थात कामदेव के गर्व को दूर करने वाले शंकर जी, ओ यू शंकर who have removed the arrogance of Kamadeva, Kamujari rati kahu barudina, you have burnt Kama, but again you have given back Rati. A Vara also you have given a boon to Rati. Kripa Sindhu yaha ati bhalakina. Whatever you have done is all most beautiful things. Now give us this boon. Sasati kari puni karahi pasau. नाथ प्रभु न कर सहज सुभाऊ। पारबती तपुकीन अपारा करहु तास अब अंगीकारा। हे परम स्वामी, ये जब हम लोग आकर when we have come and taken refuge in you, it is your natural tendency to bless us. Nath Prabhu न करे सहज स्वभाव, it is a natural tendency Parvati tapukhin apara. Parvati has done very, very severe tapasya now. Now it is time you accept her as your better half. Suni vidhi binay samuj prabhu bani. ऐसे ही हो कहा सुख मानी. The previous chopai, another small point, a beautiful point is, it is the nature of great people that they give punishment first and then once again they embrace the one who is punished. That is why you have punished Kamadev and then you have embraced him and given Rati back her husband. Sun vidhi binay samuj prabhu bani. ऐसे ही हो कहा सुख मानी. तब देवन धुंदु भी बजाई. बरषि सुमन जय जय सुर साई. Most beautiful thing has happened. Most beautiful thing has happened that Shankar is now accepted what the Devatas, what Brahma has requested. Suni vidhi binay samuj prabhu bani. So the moment Shankar heard Vidhi or Brahmaji, he immediately says, Tathastu. He said, Tathastu. Let it be as you wish. Let it happen as you wish in Tathastu. Then immediately the Devatas are all very, very thrilled. Then they sounded there. They sounded the horns and all whatever bajas they had, whatever instruments of music they had. They sounded everything. And Barashi Sumana Jaya Jaya Surasai. Then they dropped flowers from the top. All of them offered flowers from the sky to Shiva. Avasarujani Saptarishiyaye. Turatahi Vidhigiri Bhavan Pathaye. Pratham gaye jahan rahi Bhavani. मधुर बचन छल सानी. Avasarujani Saptarishiyaye. Saptarishi is also like the four rishis, Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, Sanat Kumar, as well as Narada Rishi. Saptarishis are also always they are able to move to any world they want. They can keep moving in the entire universe. Nobody can stop them. Saptarishis. So the moment they heard Shiva has said Tathastu, immediately Saptarishi came there and Turatahi Vidhi Giri Bhavana Pathaye, and they sent Vidhi or Brahma to go to Himalaya's house. You go to Himalaya's house and be ready there. Pratham gaye jahan rahi Bhavani. First Brahma went to the place where Bhavani was there, Parvati was there. Bole Madhur Bachan Chalasani, and he said, he narrated something in what you call as secretive words, not straight. It was, mixed. It was not the truth, not untruth also. Very nicely he brought the matter to Parvati's awareness. Kaha hamar na kaha hamar na sune hu tab. Kaha hamar na sune hu tab. उपदेश अब भा झूठ तुम्हारपन जारे काम महेश. Actually here they have gone there, Himachal. Brahmaji has gone to see Parvati and very, very cryptic words, cryptic, they are all used to the cryptic words in the computer language. He goes and says, you did not listen to our words. Brahma says, you did not listen to us when I told you that day, get married to Vishnu. See what has happened? Kamadev went and he sent his arrows to Shiva. Shiva simply burnt Kamadeva. That's all, matter is over. So neither your wish is fulfilled, nor our wish is fulfilled. Nothing has happened good. So in a very, very tricky manner they say. Kaha hamar na sune ho tab. When we told you, you did not listen to us. Narad ke upadesh. you listen to Narad's Upadesh. अब बहा झूठ तुम्हारपन, and your pratigna has gone waste. चाह रहे हो काम महेश, Mahesh has simply burnt away Kamadeva, so nothing has happened in favor of you. सुनी बोली मुस्काई भवानी, उचित कहे हो मुनि बर विज्ञानी, तुम्हारे जान काम अब जारा, अब लगी शंभु रहे सबिकारा। यह सुनकर पार्वती जी मुस्कुराकर बोली, हे विज्ञानी मुनिवरों, that means even the Saptarishis have gone along with Brahma ji. So they went to Parvati, and then they have told Parvati that this is what has happened. Then आपने उचित ही कहा, आपकी समझ में शिवजी ने कामदेव को अब जलाया है, अब तक तो वे विकार युक्त कामी ही रहे। Now you see, she's understanding and beautifully interpreting that. No, Shiva has burnt Kama. What does it mean? Just before burning, he was Kami. Till he burnt Kama, that means he did not burn Kama till he burnt. He did not burn Kama, that means he had all the love and affection towards me. That is what is meaning, Before the burning of Kama was there. That means he was there present in Shiva also. So Shiva was a Kami. Shiva was already he had made up his mind that he's going to marry me in a different way. Parvati is putting it. So whatever you said is right. He burnt Kama. So before burning, he had already Kama in him. हमरे जान सदा शिव जोगी, अज अनवद्य अकाम अभोगी, जो मैं शिव से ये अस जानी, प्रीति समेत कर्म बन बानी, तो हमारपन सुनहु मुनीसा, करी हहीं सत्य कृपा निधि ईसा, तुम जो कहा हर जारे उमारा, सोई अति बड़ अभिवेक तुम्हारा। तो हमारा पन सुनो मुनीसा, if what you said, if you have told me something and I have told you something, now listen to my pratigna once again. With firmness I am telling you, हे मुनीश्वरों सुनिए, वे कृपा निधान भगवान मेरी प्रतिज्ञा को सत्य करेंगे। That compassionate Shivaji will never make my pratigna, my vow go in vain. Definitely he is going to fulfill it. आपने जो यह कहा कि शिवजी ने कामदेव को भस्म कर दिया, यही आपका बड़ा भारी अविवेक है। Today I am going to tell you that you are wrong. All of you are wrong because you are saying that Shiva has burnt Kamadeva. That is not at all true. He did not burn Kamadeva. He completely revived Kamadeva. That's what my feeling is. Hari Om Tat Sat.